Golens X95, a masterpiece of premium design and intelligent security, crafted to protect with elegance. Experience instant, contactless, and premium security with 3D face recognition. Your unique touch, your ultimate key, fingerprint unlock. Press the bell, and your phone lights up with their photo live in real time. Just a tap with your RFID card, perfect for kids, elders, or anyone who needs effortless access. No emergencies, no lockouts. Simply use the manual key for instant entry anytime. Give limited time entry to house help, relatives, or service staff. Once the time expires, the access disappears. No risk, no worries. Set your own secure passcode for daily family use.